There's a prickle snake in your sleeping bag.
Ah! Get it off! Get it off! Ah! Hey, stomach, be quiet. Cured meats.
I bet you like meat.
Cheered me up. Ow! Yeah, I probably deserve that.
Ew!
That's us all in deep. I'm not good enough to kidnap. That's good.
Your shirt.
Is with his help, and he's taken my tribe across next. Out of food and out of money. You guys are killing me. Someone's in love. Lunch. Ow!
Flaming fire flakes.
Even that oaf knows to concentrate on what he's doing.
Hey!